Welcome to this CMTV class. My name is Ramkrish Tiwari and we are here to explain you about OYO, their services and their strategies. So this part is divided into 8 parts: introduction, brief on OYO, market condition and funding, strategies, pricing strategy, OYO production, OYO products, customer relation and feedback, conclusion and recommendations. OYO. Let me ask you a question. और क्या चाहिए? Like this is the tagline of OYO. OYO is one of the biggest hospitality service provider in India. It gives all the services to the customer, like beginning from the choosing a room by their app to the check-in and check-out. They ensure that each and every service is up to the mark. But who came up with the idea of OYO? The idea was brought up by a college dropout, Mr. Ritesh Agarwal. He started the company as Oracle, then he shifted to the OYO. OYO collaborates with the mid-scale hotel owners and they include some of the facilities in the infrastructure, and then they give the rooms to the customers with the most efficient and effective services at the low cost. But have you ever thought, why do we need OYO? Like before OYO also, there are so many hospitality services in India. So why do we need OYO? Like there are Gateway hotels, Taj hotels, and so many mid-scale hotels. But why do we need OYO? So I would like to share an incident with you all. This is my friend who went to the Pachmari in the year 2013. When he came out the bus stand, he saw there are so many hotels in a row. He just randomly went to a hotel and asked for the room. But as soon as he entered the room, he saw there are so many damages in the infrastructure, like walls are not clean and the staff is not so good, not humble. Even the manager is not there at the position. He has to wait for the 10 minutes, then the manager came. When he entered the room was smelling really bad and the toilet was not so good. Even the basin are not so clean. So he was facing so many problems, and he was feeling so bad. He was disappointed. But the same condition is faced by so many customers, because this is the condition of our organized sector, and organized sector is so expensive that middle people can't afford it. So this issue was noticed by Mr. Ritesh Agarwal, and he started the business OYO, who provides the services to the customer in the most effective and convenient way at the lowest rates. I would like to call my friend Mansi to brief you about OYO. Thank you. Mansi, please.
Thank you so much, Ram. And I am here to give brief introduction on OYO rooms. So, Mr. Ritesh Agarwal is the founder and CEO of OYO Rooms, and uh, he founded in the year 2013. OYO Rooms is also known as Homes and Hotels. The headquarters of OYO Room is in Gurgaon and Haryana. So, Mr. Ritesh Agarwal launched Oracle, but he noticed some problems. Then he just he wanted to expand his business, so he renamed Oracle to OYO Rooms on your own. There are two types of hotel industries. First is unorganized and organized. Unorganized hotel industry uh, comprises hotels with basic room, limited room service, and low staff. And organized segment consisted branded hotels with star rating like Taj Hotel, ITC, Oberoi, etc. Ram, can you please next slide, please? So, Mr. Ritesh Agarwal's main motive behind starting an OYO app is providing reliability and quality budget rooms with the basic amenities and comfort. Basically, he wanted to standardize his hotel's room with a competitive price, so anyone can afford easily. In 2017, he developed his own mobile app. This app help customer to place order, to assess billing information, and provide feedback. By January 2018, OYO grew became 3,093 member organization. Next, he launched OAM, that is OYO Asset Management. Basically, it offered property owners looking to transform their underutilized properties into fully furnished modern hotel rooms. OEM business models appear to entail heavy investment with OYO, becoming it leasing properties, remodeling them, and handling daily operations. Now, I would like to call my colleague Avantika to explain about market conditions and funding of OYO rooms. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Mansi. Further, I am going to explain about the market condition. Globally, the hospitality industry is highly fragmented, and the large percent of asset is unbranded and often lack of professional expertise, due to which they are unable to fulfill the customer satisfaction. Mainly, the main mission of the OYO is to provide the quality of the living space for the million of middle income peoples across the world. Whether a city dweller or a traveler, whenever they wanted to step out of their home, they should choose an accommodation that is safe, accessible, comfortable, and mainly suits in every budget. As the tech-driven hospitality company, OYO is redefining the fragmented hospitality sector by empowering the individual asset partner by successfully proposing the combination of designs, hospitality technology, expertise, revenues, management, and those things enables them to lead in a way of success in the competitive space. Now, the competitors of OYO. So, with many barriers to entry, new entrepreneur is looking at the aggregating service. There are a lot of online portals like Trivago, Yatra, which provides the various service similar to OYO. As we all know that Yatra.com was founded in 2006. It is an Indian online travel agency. In last 5 years, OYO relatively was able to gain a significant amount of the shares of the Yatra. Over the time, operators like ITC and Taj noticed the growing demands of quality, affordable accommodation and developed the low tie brand. ITC developed its The Ginger in 2009, Gateway Midscale in 2008, and Taj developed its ITC developed its Fortune Park in 1995, and Taj developed its Ginger in 2004. But these brands were not very successful. Ram, next slide, please. So, by looking at the competitors growing so much in past few years, things is for sure that OYO has done its motto, that is to provide a ability to rent a rooms in a affordable price. Now, further I'll speak on the finance. Funding of OYO, the important financiers of OYO. First funding of OYO was came from a venture nursery, and then 25 millions in 2005 by Lightspeed and Sequoia. 100 millions was from a Japanese investor, SoftBank. So further, I'll call my friend Rishi Raj to continue and to throw the light on the topic, that is the strategy.
Yeah. Am I audible? Thank you, Avantika.
You are audible.
Now, explaining the strategies of OYO. So first strategy is asset light strategy. His aim was to modify the room of the hotel so that it should look attractive as well as clean and hygienic, and that too in the budget. He mainly focuses on the location of the hotel, which is nearby to the airport, railway station, and corporate hub. Next strategy is end-to-end responsibility for customer experience, like easy to search hotel, easy to book, easy to check in, easy to check out, with world-class experience. Next strategy is predictability will bring repeatability. They analyze that if the customer like their services, they will definitely come back again. For that, they have taken some sort of efforts that they provide own manager to the particular group of hotel to ensure that all the systems are work properly, like AC works properly or not, uh, washrooms are clean or not, and so on. Next strategy is technology. As we all know that Mr. Ritesh Agarwal was very familiar. with technology because he has some knowledge about coding. And everyone can book hotel in very few.
Rishiraj, your voice is breaking.
Team for expansion. Mr. Ritesh Agarwal has started. So next strategy is employee satisfaction.
Yes, you are
Staff
audible now,
cannot deliver.
but you have missed so many points.
So okay. So next strategy is focuses for the team expansion. Mr. Ritesh Agarwal was started his business with one hotel in one city, but now he have more than 10,000 hotel in 250 cities and more than 13 countries in world. Now next strategy is employee satisfaction. Staff cannot deliver good service if they feel uncared for. When they visited our partner hotel, they realized that staff do not even have basic amenity. So they made beds, mattresses, and one shelf per person mandatory for every employee. This investment will increase the owner's return because if staff are happy, they will keep the guest happy. Last but not the least, auditing. In addition to standardizing its room, Oyo ensured that its hotel partner maintain room quality through a strict auditing process. Now, my friend Ayush will explaining about pricing strategy.
Thank you, Rishiraj. I'm going to tell you about the pricing strategy of Oyo. Pricing strategy of Oyo is to attract the customers with their low room price in competition of the basic price of the hotel. Uh, the rooms price varies from 1,000 to 2,000 depending upon the location. Oyo rooms are following very sensible strategy which aims to provide good rooms at moderate rate with great services and generate loyalty from the customers. During the off season, where there is low occupancy rate, Oyo generally reduces their prices and give discounted from the actual price with the hotel. Result massive jump in the demand. The main motive of the Oyo is that room should never be empty. Now I am calling Avantika to tell us about the Oyo product.
So thank you, Ayush. Now, next slide, please. Yeah. Now moving beyond the Oyo rooms. So, as we all know that Oyo is providing us a budget room with a basic service, but there are some customers who need more. As Oyo, as Oyo reached to the promise that they can introduce the Oyo model 2.0, which is Oyo flagship and Oyo townhouse, which was introduced. Flagship rooms are provided with some extra facilities such as mini bars, teas, and coffee stations, king size bed, etc. with cost around $30 to $50. Now, Oyo Township. Under Oyo Township, rooms are provided with some luxurious service like premium showers, high-speed internet, and ad enhancement, Netflix account, every room, 24-hour security, etc. These rooms are situated in non-commercial but residential areas, which cost around $30 to $60. So now I would like to call my fellow mate Ram Mohan to explain you about the Oyo customer relationships and feedback.
Thank you, Avantika. Now I am going to explain about customer relationship and feedback. Customer satisfaction is the biggest loophole in hospitality industries where OYO apps comes into the picture. Customers are extremely unsatisfied with the hospitality of the budget-friendly hotels. Earlier, hotels used to charge according to their wish. double or triple amount of the same room on the different time of the day with very poor amenities. OYO app try to create customer and employee relationship by providing a spectacular experience, and to create such experience, Mr. Agarwal knows it's important to take command of the entire hospitality experience end to end. Customer satisfaction is the key factor in success of OYO organization. Time to time feedback. OYO used to collect feedback from the customer regularly in the form of feedback forms to ensure the comfort and safety of the stay. OYO Culture Book. OYO Culture Book is a basically kind of magazine that published every year, in which OYO keeps track record of the employees' feedback in order to keep work culture of OYO efficient and smooth. OYO app. By using OYO app, customer can review and give feedback about the particular room in the form of stars, and they can also write feedback notes so that it can help other customers to choose the perfect room for their stay. 5 promises. 5 promises that OYO room ensure: clean washroom, spotlight bed sheet, air conditioned room, free Wi-Fi, and breakfast. OYO Captain. OYO Captain is first of its kind initiative in hospitality industry that will help OYO interact with guests in more personal manner and understand need their services them better. OYO Partner will also benefit from the network of OYO Captain. Krypton app. OYO's analytic team originally had 3 color code for the rooms. The OYO standardized room were colored in green, non-standardized room coded in color yellow, and finally never stay room are coded in black. Rating rooms upon their 3 C's. 3 key parameters are constantly availability of room, compatibility of room, and customer reviews are the 3 C's of the OYO. Now I would like to ask Ramkrishna to continue further for the conclusion.
Thank you, Ram Mohan. So after having so many customer feedbacks and the base services, OYO is somewhere lacking behind. So I have some recommendations for the OYO. Optional pickup and drop service. Like OYO can have an option of choosing a pickup and drop service, like for which I have an experience what I would like to share. In the year 2018, I went to Indore and I booked a OYO room. The OYO room was so best. Like the breakfast, the services are awesome, but the issue was reaching the hotel I faced. Like I asked a driver to take me to the hotel, so he charged me the amount much higher than the normal amount, because I just don't know the way, I just don't know the road to go that area. So this is the issue faced by so many people. Second is extra benefits for regular customers. OYO can issue a card, OYO card, in which a customer can have a certain score, like points. He can collect the points, and when he reaching the certain score, he can get the free stay. And advancement in women security, like as I understand that for the development of the country, and for the development of the organization, we should ensure the women security. So OYO can have the option that the rooms booked by the women and the rooms in which women are staying alone are kept under the high security. Like no one is allowed to go to the rooms without the permission of the women, and the staff should also be trained in a way that they should help the women and respect them so much. Rest OYO's best, as it says, और क्या चाहिए. Thank you so much.